Hey, what is up, guys? Rules for Rebels here. It is the morning after the election. There was a bit of an upset. Donald Trump wound up winning it. I know there was a lot of talk about how the markets were going to crash if Trump won, and we did see an after-hours trading as Trump began to take a lead, and the futures markets and things like that. Things were looking pretty dismal. I actually had a bunch of limit orders set ready to go today. I was hoping to pick up some discounts in the market today. And unfortunately, I guess fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it, I think the market's down a little bit today, but not really, none of these drops that people were talking about. I was looking for some bargain buys out there, so maybe you guys can shout out some of your own that you've seen. I hopped on Reddit early this morning, was looking to see what some other people are buying. I actually bought some Smith & Wesson and some Ruger stock. I think Smith & Wesson is SWHC, Ruger is RGR. If I'm not mistaken, both of them pay a pretty decent dividend. They are kind of at highs right now. I think a lot of people have been anticipating that Hillary would win, and obviously when, Hillary is not that friendly to guns and gun owners, so when it was looking like Hillary was going to win, and especially after all these mass shootings and people thinking that there's going to be kind of a crackdown on guns, the gun stocks have been trading pretty high, but I think Smith & Wesson is down about $5 or $6 a share today. Ruger is down about $10 a share today. So those may be buys. I wouldn't expect to make your money back on them soon. I think they may continue to go down, but I thought it was a good opportunity to buy, and they are dividend stocks. I'm actually buying mine in my SEP IRA. So somebody had commented to me, they said, oh, I hope you plan on holding those longer than 4 years because, gun stocks have been trading high, and I think under Trump they're not really going to be going through the roof. But that said, I felt like it was a bargain buy. I didn't buy a ton, but I bought a little bit of those. Apple's down a little bit today. I'm actually holding a bunch of Apple. I'm into it at 125, so I'm going to stay away from Apple. I think Johnson & Johnson is down a little bit, and there were a couple other stocks that I thought might have been buys or might have been bargains today. But like I said, this is just kind of a spur of the moment video. I'm driving back to my office, had to go pay these heating guys, so I haven't had a chance to really kind of pour over things and make a full video. I'll try to make one, I don't know, maybe later on tonight or in the coming days. But if you guys have any stocks that you're watching, if you guys have any bargain buys that you found, feel free to post them in the comment section below. A lot of times I don't even, where do you even go to start looking for stocks? So a lot of times I'll kind of pour over Reddit and some different forums and things like that, just to kind of, get some ideas of potential stocks to kind of look further into. I've been kind of getting away from individual stocks and getting more into ETFs and funds and things like that. But I think there are some opportunities to pick up some bargains. So, like I said, I think Phillip Morris was another one that was down pretty big today. So, just some ones you may want to check out. I'm not saying buy them. I'm not saying they're good, but just some stocks that are down today. Smith & Wesson, Ruger, Phillip Morris, Johnson & Johnson, and Apple. Feel free to add your own to the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below. And I got some more good videos coming out later this week and in the coming weeks. So stay tuned. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and I'll talk to you soon.